To begin our biometric fingerprint installation, we must first remove the keypad from the door. We begin by removing our securing screw from the bottom of the keypad. From there, the quick release button. We can then unplug our keypad cable, the power cable, and then remove the top mounting screw, which has the grounding cable. After removing the keypad from the front of our safe, we want to install our biometric kit. Our kit includes the biometric reader for our fingerprint and 2 screws to secure it to the keypad. There is a plastic insert at the top of the keypad we must first remove. Once we have that removed, we can insert our biometric sensor into the top of the keypad. Ensure that when inserting that sensor, we route our ribbon cable up and above the ground wire. Located here is the biometric connection for our ribbon cable. When we insert our ribbon cable, make sure the chrome or silver side is up. Once we get it inserted into the connection, we can press the connection down into place. From there, secure the biometric reader with the 2 supplied screws. Now that our reader is in place, we can reinstall our keypad and sync with our app.